Hi and welcome. This is Chennai KC, a teacher of English. Chennai KC is my YouTube channel. Children, today I am going to explain 7th class first lesson, the town mouse and the country mouse. Video lesson 22. Topic on face sheet. This town mouse and the country mouse face sheet. Today we discuss face sheet. Look at these two pictures. In the first picture, in the scenery of a village life, here most of the people are going on foot and we can see the small houses building independently. See here, these are all independent houses. In the village, agriculture is the main occupation which is hard. In this picture, we can find cattle, bullock carts, and farmers. See here, a woman was carrying a bundle of hay of grass, and a man was carrying something. I think that is water. It may be chance. This is the first picture description, and the next second picture is the scenery of city life. We can find out the second picture is the scenery of city life. Here most of the people use vehicles to move. In the city, most of the people use vehicles to move or to travel. In the city, we can see the big buildings and apartments. And in the cities, we can find various occupations like doctor, nurse, carpenter, engineers, mechanics, likewise. In cities, we can see a lot of buses, cars, lorries, scooters, etc. But now we discuss difference between the two pictures. See, in the first picture is the scenery of a village life. The second picture is the scenery of city life. In the first picture, most of the people in the village go on foot. It means they going on foot. They walk on foot. It means they walk. It means they walk on foot. Here in the second picture, most of the people use vehicles to move. Here the first picture, in the villages we can see the small houses built independently. In the second picture, in the city we can see the big buildings and apartments. Next, see the first picture. In the village, agriculture is the main occupation which is hard. In the second picture, in the city, we can find various occupations. Next, in the first picture, we can find out in the villages, we can find cattle, bullock carts, and farmers. In the second picture, in the city, we can see a lot of buses, cars, etc. Okay, students or children, this is my opinion. I will tell you my opinion. I would like to live in a village because it is calm and peaceful life. It is so because there will be no pollution. This is my pure opinion. So that's why I will repeat this my opinion. I would like to live in a village because it is calm and peaceful life. It is so because there will be no pollution. I think you also feel like me. Thank you. But what about you? Give me answer in a comment section. Once again, I will repeat this one. Remember this one. What about? Give me answer in a comment section. Do you like in village or town? Give me a comment section. Now look at these two pictures and answer the following questions. See here, question answers. I will ask question and at the same time I will explain answer also. I will give answer also. See here, exercise. Look at these two pictures and answer the questions that follows. In the first question on face sheet, write the differences you notice between the things you see in the two pictures. I will repeat this question. See, write the differences you notice between the things you see in the two pictures. You can find out in these questions on your face sheet. See answer. In the first picture is the scenery of city life. In the second picture, in the scenery of city life. Next, in the first picture, the villagers are mostly go on foot. In the second picture, in the city of people are use vehicles to move. In the first picture, we can see small houses. In the second picture, in the city, we can see the big buildings and apartments. In the village, we can see agriculture is the main occupation. Here, in the city, we can find various occupations. In the village, we can find cattle, bullock carts and farmers. Here in the city, we can see a lot of buses, cars, lorries, etc. Children, I think you can understand these two pictures difference. Okay children, next I will go to second question. In this second question, I will read, observe it. Okay, listen carefully children. Where would you like to live? In a town or in a village? I will repeat this question. Listen carefully children. Where would you like to live? In a town or in a village? See, I will tell you answer. I would like to live in a village because it is calm and peaceful life. Once again, I will repeat this answer. I would like to live in a village because it is calm and peaceful. I think you also like to live in a village. While because the village is quite different from city because it is calm and peaceful. See children, next I am going to explain third question answer. I will read question, listen carefully and understand the question. See the third question, where do you think life is peaceful and why? I will read once again this third question. Where do you think life is peaceful and why? See the answer. I will tell you, listen carefully. I think the life in a village is more peaceful. It is so because there will be no pollution. I will explain second time this third question answer. See, I think the life in a village is more peaceful. It is so because there will be no pollution. Okay children, I think you can understand this third question. And next I will go to fourth question. Okay, do animals feel the same like you? Once again I will repeat this question. Listen carefully. Do animals feel the same like you? Yes, I think animals also feel like me. Animals also feel like you when you think like that. Okay, children, these are the face it question answers and a detailed description. Okay, children, once more you watch this video and check it out. How many questions did you answer correctly? Tell us with comments in the comment section. Thank you children. Thank you for watching my video. If you want to watch my grammar videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share. Next I will explain oral discourse and feedback video lesson 22 on the country mouse, on the town mouse and the country mouse. Thank you.